Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title up top, I purchased my first item from The RealReal. I was looking for a small vintage purse, like the ones that you can just like carry right here, a mini like little shoulder bag. But obviously like it's vintage and so I'm not gonna be able to find it on the Fendi website. I didn't really know where to look. I feel like consignment shops are the only places where I could. I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it and show you guys what's all going on. I opened it already because I was like too excited. So it's not like my first time seeing it, it'll be you guys' first time seeing it. So it comes in this box. It's like a big box, like this is pretty big. And the bag that I got is, it's not too little, but it's pretty little. It's a bigger little bag, if that makes sense. But like my Gucci package that I got, it doesn't say that it is from The RealReal. I think it's for safety purposes so people don't read the label, see Gucci or like a nice like expensive product and then they take it. It just says TRR, which unless you're buying it and expecting it, it won't make sense what TRR is. It looks like this. There is a little baggie that says The RealReal. I'm surprised that there is like no bubble wrap in here. Like it's just like this sitting around. I would think that they would bubble wrap it a lot more, at least to where it's not like just like moving around. But it does come in the RealReal white bag. So inside the bag, this receipt holder, it says The RealReal on the front, and then on the back it says there's nothing more luxurious than being good to people. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can consign with them. Do in-home free pickup, you can ship it to them, or you can visit them at their locations. You can also speak with an expert online. In the middle it says visit us, and then there's a little note that says we are thrilled that you found something you love on The RealReal. We stand proudly behind the authenticity of every item we sell. The RealReal is a leader in the circular economy, and by shopping and consigning with us, you're helping the environment by extending the lifetime value of luxury goods. Then on the other side, when you open it up, there's also another little note. It says authenticity guaranteed. At The RealReal, there is an expert behind every item. Our gemologist, parologist, and luxury brand experts inspect every item we sell. Each piece is put through a multiple point brand specific authentication process so you can shop with confidence. So that's really good to know that you are spending money on the real thing and not having to wonder if it's real or not. And then obviously my receipt is inside. I always like to keep everything together. So I'll just throw this back in the bag. And then when you open it up, this is the bag that I got. This bag is the Fendi leather trimmed Zucca bag. It's described as brown and tobacco Zucca FF logo canvas Fendi bag with gunmetal hardware, dual flat shoulder straps, tonal leather trim, tonal woven linen, single zip pocket at interior wall, and zip closure at top. I went with a classic brown. I was going between this one and one that was black. I mean, this was my #1 pick, but it was also the most expensive out of like the few bags that I was looking at. So I was like kind of iffy, but like I'm really happy with it. It's so freaking cute. Let's just take a moment. So the price of this bag was $425. But I got 20% off using the code REAL. That took off about $85, making it $340. But I had store credit because it was my first time buying something and I just opened the account. So I got another $25 off, making it only $315. So honestly, I think that's a steal. It's vintage, so obviously I'm not gonna pay full price for it. Fendi's like cheapest bag is still like $1,200, even like the small bags. So I'm gonna assume that it's about $1,200. Obviously, I don't know exactly the price because it's vintage, it's not online anymore. I'm just gonna assume that it's the least expensive item on their website, which is about $1,200. And so if this bag was $300, I literally got it for a fourth of the price. The only parts that I feel like you can notice that it's like not as new as the rest of it, like this canvas part where it has like the FF logos. It is like brand new. The only parts that look a little bit used, the trimming right here, it's a little worn out, but not even like really bad. This side is not bad at all. One side's worse than the other. I would give it a like 7. It doesn't bother me because I feel like it gives a bag character. It's what makes it vintage. I love the shape of this. The body of the bag is still like so nice and new. The only part on the canvas that is a little messed up is this right here. I'm not sure what it is. It's almost just like a little stain, but you can't really see it unless like the light hits it just right. I think the most worn out part of the bag is actually like these handles. So I went ahead and actually flipped them. I turned the strap. So where the part that's not as worn out is actually the outside. And then like the inside, you can see it's a little bit more worn out. The stitching has lost its hold. One of the sides, it's actually like unfolded a little bit. But again, it's just the straps. Like no one's looking at my straps. It's fine. As long as like the body of the bag is in good condition. That's it with the straps. There's the gunmetal hardware and also the zipper. It's really cute. It says, don't know if you guys can see it. It says FENDI. The bag does come with a little bit of stuffing, but I actually stuffed it more with the Ulta bags that I have 1,000 of. This is what the bag looks like with no stuffing inside of it. You can see it's a really decent size, measured side by side to my head. This is what it looks like. I love the size. I didn't want one that was so tiny that I couldn't fit anything in. When you open it up, it just has that like tobacco colored interior. There's one zipper. The lining on the inside is almost like brand new. Again, the little zipper has FENDI on it again. There's the serial number on the inside right there. The inside of the bag is really clean. And then there's this little gunmetal plate. It says FENDI, made in Italy. I was really surprised at how clean the inside was. The little lining is still like beautiful. Like I don't even see any stains. Puny ones. On the lining, I don't know if you can see, but it has little like FENDI details all over. So yeah, that is what the bag looks like. So what's nice about the Real is that they tell you the condition of the bag, so that way you know what you're getting. You're not expecting like a brand new, no scratch bag. It tells you exactly what you're getting. For this bag, it says the condition is very good, light surface scratches at hardware, minor marks and discoloration at canvas, light scuffs and peeling at leather trim, and slight marks and residue at interior. But yeah, I'm so glad I got this one. I really, really like it. I think it's so chic and it carries so much stuff. I can't wait to incorporate it into all my outfits. Alright guys, so I think that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys got a lot of information on the Real and where to get these cute little vintage bags. I literally just went and put all my stuff in it, and guys, you can fit a water bottle in here. Like, it fits so much stuff. If you guys want to see a what's in my bag, let me know down in the comments down below, or give this video a thumbs up. I'll probably film it anyways, but it's nice to know what you guys want to see. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me at my social media platforms, and I'll see you guys next time.